You've shared images of a UK 20 pence coin from 2008, featuring the following. Portrait, Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Ian Rank Broadley. Inscription, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 2008. DG Reg FD. Stand for Dei Gratia, Regina Fidei Defensor, Latin for, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender the Faith. Year, 2008. Reverse back. Design, a portion of the Royal Shield of Arms. Introduced in 2008. Designed by Matthew Dent. This specific segment forms part of a larger puzzle where all shield coins, 1p, 2p, 5p, 10p, 20p, 50p, combine to make the full Royal Shield. Text, 20 pence. This design change was part of a major coinage redesign introduced in 2008. The 20p coin does not carry the denomination in numerals, i.e. 20p, only in words. Shape, heptagon 7-sided, officially called an equilateral curve heptagon. Face value, £0 sterling 20 pence. Collector value, normally around face value, unless in uncirculated or mint error condition. 2008 undated error 20p, very rare mistake, where no date was stamped. Can be worth £50 to £100 plus depending on condition. Yours does have the date, so it's not one of the error coins. Let me know if you want to check if it's an error version or get a market value estimate. Certainly. Here's a detailed and comprehensive description of the 2008 United Kingdom 20 pence coin shown in your images, covering design, history, composition errors, and collector significance. 2008 United Kingdom 20 pence coin, full detailed description. General information. Country, United Kingdom. Denomination, 20 pence, 20 pence. Year of issue, 2008. Issuing authority, the Royal Mint. Value, 20 pence face value. Potential higher value for collectors. Physical characteristics. Shape, equilateral curve heptagon 7-sided, giving a distinctive tactile shape. Diameter, 21.4 millimeters. Thickness, 1.7 millimeters. Weight, 5.0 grams. Edge plane, smooth, metal composition. Cupronickel, 84% copper, 16% nickel. Obverse front, design, portrait, depicts Queen Elizabeth II, facing right. This effigy was designed by Ian Rank Broadley, whose initials, IRB, can be found at the base of the neck. This was the fourth official portrait of the Queen used on British coinage. Introduced in 1998. Inscription, Elizabeth II DG Reg FD 2008. Latin abbreviation meaning, Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. Mint year, 2008, position below the neck. Reverse back design. Designer, Matthew Dent. Design theme, Royal Shield of Arms. In 2008, a new reverse design was introduced for all UK coin denominations from 1p to 50p. Each coin features a portion of the Royal Shield, and when placed together, the coins form a complete shield. The 20p coin shows the lower left section of the shield, which includes part of the Lion of England and a portion of the harp representing Northern Ireland. Inscription, 20 pence. Notably, the 2008 design does not include the numerals 20p, unlike the older version. Historical background. The 20 pence coin was introduced into circulation in 1982, being the third decimal coin after the 1p and 2p. In 2008, the reverse design was changed as part of a major redesign effort by the Royal Mint. The winning designs by Matthew Dent were the result of a public competition aiming to create a modern look reflecting British heritage. Error coins and collectors' interest. A notable minting error occurred in 2008, creating the undated 20p error coin. What happened? Some 20p coins are mistakenly struck using the old obverse, which includes a date, and the new reverse, which omits the date. Result: these coins have no date at all, making them the first undated circulating coins in over 300 years. Value: such undated coins can sell for £50 to £100 plus, depending on condition. Your coin. Based on the image, your coin is dated 2008, and therefore is not part of the error batch. It is still part of the first year of the new design series, which gives it historical significance. Circulated coin, face value 20 pence, or slightly higher, approximate 30 to 50 pence, depending on collector demand and condition. Uncirculated /proof version, 1 pound to 3 pounds plus. Error version, undated 20p 50 pounds to 150 pounds, based on market condition. The 2008 20p coin marks the first year of the Royal Shield design. Features a classic portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse. Designed as part of a symbolic series that encourages interaction, coins can be arranged to form the full coat of arms. While it holds standard collector value in circulated form, its significance lies in being the first of its kind in a modern redesign series.